Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I want to cover few garden pests, ants, aphids, mealybugs, which is a nightmare for most of the gardeners, including me. So the question comes, can we reduce them or can we eradicate them? If you search on YouTube, you will see tons of videos, but real issue is how to use them, when to use them. Can we have one solution which can work on variety of garden pests? Lots of people worried about, can it burn my plants? Is it acidic, alkaline? What impact it will create on my plants? Is it expensive? So here for experiment I am going to use water, cooking oil, baking soda, dish soap, rubbing alcohol, hydrogen peroxide and vinegar. As you see, baking soda and dish soap are alkaline, rubbing alcohol is slightly acidic, hydrogen peroxide is slightly acidic, and vinegar is acidic. So if you mix all ingredients together, I think it's going to be all neutral. If you mix some of them, most of them, there is a high chance that it's going to be alkaline, which is good. We need a little bit acidic environment for a lot of insects, including the fungal infestation. So let's have the demonstration, and please watch the video till end. I am starting this task with water, dish soap and cooking oil. These ingredients are bought either from Costco or from Walmart, and they are organic method to control pests. So starts with 1 teaspoon dish soap and cooking oil, mix with water, shake it thoroughly, and I'm going to apply on ants. If it works on ants, it's gonna work on aphid as well as mealybugs. So what happens is, ants are the culprit of our garden. What they do is they farm the aphids. They keep moving around the aphids from one plant to another. Aphids are going to be the plant sucker for them. They bring the sweet part of the plant, and then ants are going to suck them out from them. So when we tried this project, we saw that it kills the ants, but it kills a little slow. So the next task is, I'm adding baking soda and vinegar here, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon vinegar, and see how it impacts on the ants. So it's the same thing here, mixing baking soda and vinegar on top of cooking oil and dish soap and mixing together. So I'm spraying here on the other side of the ants area. So first I applied on cooking oil and dish soap, and it killed the ant, but it killed a little slow. Applied this time with the baking soda and vinegar, and it also kills the ants, so there is no problem. Vinegar and baking soda doesn't alter the situation here, so it works good. Now I'm going to add rubbing alcohol and hydrogen peroxide on top of this solution. Want to see how it works. Maybe it's more stronger, maybe it's more effective. So let's try it out. Again, I'm using rubbing alcohol, and this rubbing alcohol is 70% isopropyl alcohol, and using the hydrogen peroxide, which is 3% concentrated. So mixing 1 teaspoon rubbing alcohol and 2 teaspoon hydrogen peroxide. Most of the recommendations are which is very similar. So mixing this all together and going to apply on the ants. So I am applying on the different area where we have some ants moving around. I think there is a little colony there, so I'm spraying there and see how it goes. Based on applying the spray, I felt like the ants are dying quickly. So it looks like this solution is a little bit more stronger. So my idea is, like, if it kills ants, it will kill aphids, mealybugs and few other bugs. And I know vinegar and other ingredients which we use here also helps or for on fungal infestation, so definitely it's gonna work. Now the question comes, can we mix all ingredients together and apply on plants and trees? Well, it works fine on trees because I have been using it, and I also tried here and also tried on pear tree, pomegranate tree, lemon tree, as well as blackberry and rose bushes. This solution works fine. Most of these trees are little bit acidic in nature. They like the environment a little bit acidic in nature, so anyway it works better on them. Some of these trees has some fungal infestation, so that also works better. Fungals are a little black on the brown dots on the leaves. Mostly it hits on my lemon tree, my blackberries, and sometimes my roses, or most of the time it's on my roses. My pomegranates are fine. They have little bit infestation with white thing, which is again harvested or cultivated by the ants. So I am trying on the pomegranate tree, and let's see how it goes. So when I apply this solution on pomegranate tree, the pomegranate trees is pretty. I have 3 of them, and they are a little bit taller. So I use this. I use this sprayer, and it's a pretty strong 4-gallon sprayer. It's a hand. It's a hand. It's a hand operated, which is pretty. It makes me very stronger. It has a good force. So I'm use it, and how far I can spray it, I just do it. I tried on the pear tree and it worked fine. You can see the little new leaves and they don't have any problems. I don't see any burns. I also tried a little bit on the ridge guard and upu squash, and I felt like it's got a little bit burned. So that's pretty much. And thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Please share this experience with others and like and subscribe our channel. Happy gardening. Thank you.